In this video, I'll show you how to make money online for free by using some affiliate networks and free traffic source. Now, this free traffic source we have never talked about in any of our previous YouTube video. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video in order to make good amount of money online for absolutely free. For this specific strategy, you need to join multiple affiliate networks, and we'll talk about that in this video also. But the first affiliate network that I want you to join is this CPA grip. Now, one of the special function of this CPA grip offer is whenever someone submit their email address, then you will get paid a certain amount, okay, that is pre-decided. Now let me show you some of their offers. So let's go to this offers and my offers tool, and let me select United States, and in category email submit, and you can see here there are lots of offer where you can get paid $1.38, $2, $1.81 if people just submit their email address in these offers. And I'll show you exactly how you can promote these offers. Okay, now these are basically extremely low ticket offers, okay, low priced offers. Now what I want you to do is not only use this kind of offers, okay, because maybe you do not get conversion in this kind of offers, but you get a conversion in a higher ticket offer like a $50, a mid ticket higher ticket offer like $500, or mid ticket offer like $50, $100. So you need to join multiple affiliate network firstly. So the first step would be to join this CPA grip. Okay, just type cpagrip.com, okay, and you will visit to this site and just sign up to this CPA grip, and your account is created in just few minutes. And once you create an account, and then just I have shown you already how you can go to this my offer, and now I'll show you how you can get a link that link of offer that you want to promote. Okay, so let's say for example you want to promote this offer. This offer name is grab a $750 PayPal gift card. Now you just click on it, and you can see you can change this tracking domain. Okay, you can select any one, but I would suggest you to always select this top one. Okay, and just select it and just copy this link, and this is going to be your specific affiliate link. Now whenever someone clicks on this link and sign ups to this offer, then you will get paid $2.07 for just one email submit. Okay, in this way you can get your offer from CPA grip. So now the second place you can go is called ClickBank. Okay, just visit to clickbank.com. okay, and you can just click on this start here and be able to create your ClickBank account within like 5 minutes. Once you create your account on ClickBank, then just click on login and log into your ClickBank account, and after logging in, just click on this marketplace, and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, and you can get various offers that are related in these all type of categories. Okay, you can promote any offer. So what you can do is you can just click on this search button, and you'll immediately see lots of offer, and you can just click on this and sort it out by gravity, and you will see lots of offer that are in the top of the ClickBank, like this XG Pure, Icaria Juice, T-Born. Okay, there are lots of offer, okay, in different category. You can promote this product of any category, but I'll also show you what type of product exactly you need to promote in order to get sales. Okay, so these are some of the sales offer. So previously in CPA grip you found out about lots of offer that just required email submit. Now in ClickBank you will find lots of offer where you need to make actual sale. Okay, either that is if that is digital product or a physical product. Now to get the affiliate link of your specific affiliate link from any product, what you can do is you can just click on this promote button. Okay, and then so this specific offer needs an approval, so let's not take this one. So let's click on this promote, and you will see you need to put your nickname at here. Okay, when you were creating account, you need to create this kind of nickname, and that nickname will automatically be here. Okay, but if it is not, then just put it, and once you do put that, then just click on this create hop link, and then this is going to be your specific affiliate link. You can just click on this, copy, and your affiliate link is with you. Now furthermore, what you can also do is you can visit to a specific site that is called digistore24. Okay, you can just visit to digistore24.com. okay, and you can just click on this register now and follow a few steps, and you'll be able to create your own account on digistore24 also. And it is the process of searching for the offer is quite similar to ClickBank, which I have already showed you. Okay, but it is not necessary to sign up to Digistore. It is optional. If you want, you can. Okay, and once you sign up to all of this platform, now what you need to do is you need to get traffic to your offers. Okay, so these offers. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a free traffic source which you can use to get traffic to this offer so that you can get some email submit or sales. Okay, not only that much, I'm also going to give you some exclusive tips which you can use to bring more sales on some of the proven offers that are already bringing sales and signups to other people. Okay, I'll show you that also. So now this free traffic source is called freeadvertising247.com. okay, you can simply visit to this exact site, freeadvertising247.com, and you don't need to sign up instantly. Okay, you will see this kind of interface, submit a free ad. Okay, and what you need to do is let's go to this is the affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. Let's copy it. Okay, firstly you promote some low ticket offer. Okay, and then after if you got some good amount of signups and you made good amount of money, then you can test other sign up related offer. But if you don't get any kind of sign up, or if you make less amount of money by using this strategy, then what you can do is you can switch to this kind of sales offer that are available inside ClickBank. Okay, so let's go to freeadvertising247.com and paste your affiliate link at here. Okay, once you paste your affiliate link, and you'll be given this to select the category. Okay, and you can just select business opportunity, or if there is another like finance or something, you can select, okay, financial and money, you can select it. Now short title, you need a title. What you can do is just grab this title, grab a $750 gift card now. So let's put it for now, and in description you need to write something. Here you can see enter your mobile number now for a chance. So this offer is like people need to put their mobile number instead of email. Okay, that's fine, you can put it, and you can put your name. Okay, so whatever your name is, just put it at here. And in email address, you need to put email address that you can verify. Okay, so okay, so now here you can see some of the cost are at here. Okay, you can purchase this kind of like ad color to your so let me show you. This is the color in your ad. Okay, this kind of thing, if you want, then you can tick mark this. Otherwise, you can see the submit button is at the bottom of the page. Now you can scroll below. Okay, you can see other people's ad also, but scroll below and you will see here you need to fill the captcha, that is 38, and then click on submit ad. Okay, and once you submit ad, and after few time, your ad will start to display on lots of places where free advertising to 24/7 has access to. So now in this way you can bring free traffic. As you can see here, this ad is seen by 12,000. okay, not 12,000, it's more than that, 123,000 times. Okay, this ad was seen. Similarly here you can see 130 times, or how much it is. Similarly here you can see there are lots of traffic in this site. Okay, from where you can get good amount of traffic. And you can see someone is already promoting this kind of offer, like get $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. So how much it is? 232,000 times. Okay, in this way you can run ads. So now I'm going to show you a simple strategy which you can use. Okay, which you can use to promote some proven offers. So as you can see at here, whenever you visit to this free advertising 24/7 and you scroll below, you can see lots of offer what type of offer people are already promoting, okay, and see how much times that ad has been shown already. Okay, here you can see 232,258 times. Okay, so this is a high volume, this offer app got high volume of traffic. So and what you can do is get a $1,000 PayPal gift card. Now what you can do is you can search if there is any offers that are related to $1,000 PayPal gift cards, but there is not. Okay, and what you can do is you can, instead of $1,000 PayPal gift card, you can use this $750 PayPal gift card offer by using pretty similar text. Okay, like get a $750 PayPal gift card to spend, enter your information or whatever it is to chance to win. Okay, similarly you can see other offers. Okay, you can see other offers that people are running and getting good amount of views. So here is finally there is a way to lose 10 lbs in 7 days. Okay, you can click on here and see what offer exactly it is. Okay, and see if it is available inside ClickBank, and if it is, then you can write the similar kind of text and make this kind of ad. Okay, so now the ad that is displayed from inside this platform is not only shown at here. Okay, here you can see all of the ad, maximum of the ad that is being run inside this free advertising 24/7, but people are going to get traffic from other places also. Okay, so don't think that this is only the place where from where people are going to get traffic. So here you can see get a flat value after 3 days. You can check out what offer is this, and if it is available on ClickBank, or maybe if it is available on Digistore, then you can promote it in similar way. As you can see 127,000 times this ad has been seen by different people. Okay, so in this way you can make good amount of money, and you can see how your ad will look like. Okay, at here, and if you want to make some color, then just click on this and select the color, what type of color you want, and you will see this kind of color your ad will be. Okay, so in this way you can get lots of affiliate offer and make good amount of money for lifelong. So I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more interesting video related to making money online, then I have handpicked all of my previous YouTube videos and kept it in the description of this YouTube video. You can check that. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.